In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft Teams. Refreshing Teams is a quick way to solve many small issues, like messages not appearing, channels not updating, or status indicators getting stuck. Instead of restarting the entire app or even your computer, you can usually fix these glitches with a simple refresh. First, make sure you have Microsoft Teams open on your computer. You can be on any screen inside Teams, whether that's chat, Teams, calendar, or calls. What matters is that the app window is active so you can see the top menu area. Now, look toward the upper part of the Teams window. Depending on your version, you'll typically see navigation controls such as back and forward arrows, the search bar, and some icons clustered near the top. Among these, you should find the refresh icon. It usually looks like a circular arrow, often located near the search box or in the title bar area of the app. Once you've found the refresh icon, move your mouse over it and click on it. When you click, Teams will briefly reload its content. You might notice the screen flicker slightly, or some of your chats and channels momentarily updating. This is normal and simply means Teams is pulling in the latest information from the server. After the refresh completes, check the area that was giving you trouble. For example, if you weren't seeing a new message in a channel, look again to see if it has appeared. If you were waiting for your status or presence to update, take a moment to verify that it now reflects correctly. If things still don't look right, you can click the refresh icon again after a short pause. Sometimes a slow internet connection or a brief network hiccup can delay updates, so giving it another try can help. Just avoid clicking repeatedly too quickly. Let Teams finish refreshing before you attempt it again. Remember, using the refresh icon is a fast, low-effort troubleshooting step. It can save you time compared to fully closing and reopening the application, and it's often the first thing you should try when Teams feels a bit out of sync. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, locate the refresh icon at the top of the window, and click it to reload your content and get things back up to date.